Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Anissa Chandra Puspita. I will respond to discussion 6. E-learning video asik teman. Local transportation, giving direction and out of town transportation. Part 1. Local transportation and giving direction. I will give an example of a conversation where I give direction to someone who asks for direction to somewhere in my city. Excuse me, sorry, I want to go to Nagiri Flower Market. How do I get there? Oh, okay, from here. Since you are in Purwontoro district, it is actually quite far. If you are taking a private vehicle, you can go via Wonogiri Purwadadi Road, then turn left at the Purwadadi intersection. Just keep going until you reach the center of Wonogiri. There will be direction the flower market. If you want to take a motorcycle, taxi, or public transportation, you can look for a motorcycle, taxi, or public transportation that goes to Wonogiri Purwadadi. Then just tell them you want to get off at flower market. Oh, okay. So from here, do I have to take a private vehicle or public transportation? Yes, you can take a private vehicle or public transportation. If you take a public transportation, it will take a while because it will pass several stops. But if you take a private vehicle, it will be faster. If you take a motorcycle taxi, you can also do it. Just tell them you want to go to flower market. Thank you very much for your help. You are welcome. Be careful on the way, okay? Part 2. Out of town transportation. I will give an example of a conservation discussing intercity transportation available in my country or city, which includes number 1. Types of intercity transportation available. Number 2. Prices or schedules of transportation if possible. Number 3. Advantages of each type of transportation. Hi, we are going up of town. Do you have any ideas on the most practical way to travel between cities? Wow, that's exciting. There are several options. If you want something fast and comfortable, there's an aeroplane. But if you want to save money, you can take a train or intercity bus. Planes are fast, but they can be expensive. How about trains or intercity buses? They are more economical, but the journey takes longer. Yes, that's right. Trains are usually more comfortable than intercity buses, but they are more expensive. Buses are cheaper, but the journey can be quite long, depending on the distance. Then, if you want something more flexible and not too depending on the schedule, there is also the opinion of taking a private car or renting a car, right? That's right. But if you drive your own car, you have to be prepared for various things like traffic jams, toll roads, and so on. If you rent a car, there are additional costs too. But if you want to explore a wider area and are not tied to a schedule, this is a good opinion. Well, if you want the cheapest and most environmentally friendly, how about riding a motorbike or taking public transportation? Well, that's the cheapest opinion, but it's also usually the less comfortable and can be a bit dangerous if the distance is far. For public transportation, there are usually city buses or local trains that we can use. Then, there are also those who use online motorcycle taxi application between cities, alright? Yes, but this opinion is usually more expensive and only available in some towns area. Okay, so we have to consider several factors such as budget, travel time, comfort, and our travel destination. Yes, that's right. We can also search for information on the internet about intercity transportation available in the area we are going to? Well, let's find out more information and decide the best choice for our trip. Agreed. Let's start looking for information. That's all the discussion for me. If there are any shortcomings, I apologize. Thank you for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.